Introducing the best film cutting machine, CH310. With a large screen and 65,000 plus cloud models data. It can cut front and back films for electronics under 16 inches. It can automatically sensing the paper and feeding. An easy operation, quick cutting with one press. Now showcasing the mobile film cutting. Or tablet films or screens that is under 16 inches. And beautification with back films. Now showcasing how to apply the film that just cut with CH310. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more high-quality products from Purcell.